Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add money from Apple Pay to Cash App. So, let's get started. First, we'll start here at the Apple Pay section. This is our Apple Cash. We currently have about $2.15 in the Apple Cash, which is stored in our Apple Wallet. If you want to send this balance of $2.15 to your Cash App, the first step is to tap on the little icon at the top right. Then, we're going to click on Transfer to Bank. Next, it will ask how much you want to transfer, so we'll enter $2.15 and tap Next. Now, I currently have a different bank on file, so I'll show you how to add your Cash App bank account here. To do this, tap over on the right-hand side and go to Card Details. In Card Details, you'll see an option that says Bank Account. Tap on this. On this page, you'll see the accounts you currently have on file. You can only have one bank account on file here, so we'll want to delete the current one and add a new one. Tap to remove the bank account information. Once that's done, you'll see an option to Add Bank Account. If you didn't already have a bank account linked, this is the first thing you'd see. We'll tap Add Bank Account, and it will ask for your routing and account number. This information needs to be retrieved from your Cash App account. Now, we'll swipe back to the Cash App. On the Cash App, go to your balance amount, located in the bottom left corner. If you don't have money in your account, it might just be an icon of a bank. Tap here and then tap on the section where it says Account and Routing Number. On this screen, you'll see the routing and account numbers for your Cash App account. You won't be able to see it on my screen, but copy these numbers and paste them into the next screen in the Apple Wallet. Once you've entered the routing and account numbers, tap Next. Now, you'll see that the bank is added. Even though this is Cash App, it operates through Sutton Bank, so keep that in mind. With the bank fully added, we'll go back to our account and select Transfer to Bank. You can choose how much you want to transfer. We'll transfer $2.15, which is what we have in our balance. Tap Next in the top right corner, and now you have two options for transferring. You can do an instant transfer to the debit card on file, though there will be a small fee, about 25 cents. Alternatively, you can choose a free transfer through Sutton Bank, which takes 1 to 3 business days. We'll select the free option and tap Transfer at the top right. A verification screen will pop up and we'll double-click to confirm the transfer. Just like that, we're transferring our Apple Pay balance to our Cash App. By the way, if you used the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.